Hey guys, what's good? I'm popping. It's Candy Sar here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, if you're a new subscriber, well gone, what's good? I hope you guys do subscribe to my channel. So today I have created this look for you guys. I was requested by my Instagram. If you are not following my Instagram or Instagrams, please go do that right now. I'll leave the ads right here. Also, before I continue, I would like to shout out a few of my friends who have a YouTube here. Whoa, who are here on YouTube. So first I want to shout out the Amber's the twin. I'm not sure who they are. I just know some people really like them, so you guys can go check out their video and tell me, if you like their content. Also, I also like to shout out Chris Danelis. This is a person that everybody tell me I look like. I really don't know her, but I really do hope to meet her one day. So you guys can go and check out Chris Danelis. I'll leave her at right here, so you guys can go and check her out. The next person I want to shout out here on YouTube is Gem Gab. She is my friend that has very good content every week. You guys can just go and check her out. Her videos, they are very good, very nice, and she stay good, so you guys should go and check her out. And last but not least, I would like to also shout out Aika Aviel here on YouTube. She's also my friend. She also has great content, so you guys just need to check them out. Alright, so this video will not be a very toxic video. So I just listen to the music, and I hope you guys do enjoy. Bye guys. Alright guys, so this is the eye so far. I really am doubting this look at this moment, but I'm going to continue and see what ends up here. So I'm just gonna go to my skin now, and first I am going to prime. Woo! Jesus! Before I came here, I had moisturized my face. I always suggest moisturizing your face before you do any makeup, because even if you have oily or matte skin, it's good to have your face moisturized, because some products do dry out your face excessively, and we don't want that. Then I am going to take two different foundations. If you guys know, this is my Fenty foundation in 470, and because of quarantine I getting lighter, so I'm just going to put this around the perimeter of my face. Right, and then I'm going to put this one, which is the 332 in the Maybelline Superstay at the center of my face. So after I've done that, I am going to take, sorry, I hate when they're on this, guys. Okay. Elf Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Dark Chocolate. guys, listen to my god sister. Her name is Tassie Price. I will put her name right here so you guys can go check out her music. She looks nice, bad.
So good, it's like I'm mash up the place, yeah. When you see it coming, make sure you brace up. Mine so good, you have a catch and brace. It's all about the wine and the waist. Wine so good, it's like I'm mash up the place, yeah. When you see it coming, make sure you brace up. Mine so good, you have a catch and brace. You wanna see me roll up, roll up. Oh, you wanna touch all that, hold up. Come on, bubble it tight, bubble so nice, bubble up the waistline, bubble to the joint, bubble pan it down, bubble like a ring, come on, bubble so shine, roll up. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Let the girl not put to work. Wash it off it, it do overtime. Yeah, I rock, 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 rock it. I'm a rock up in my colors. Just let them rock it, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. I feel take it easy sometime. Make the thing look breezy sometime. Sometime. Yeah, I feel take it easy sometime. Make the thing look breezy sometime. Sometime. Make the thing look breezy sometime. You wanna see me roll up, roll up. Oh, you wanna touch all up, hold up. Come on, bubble it tight. Bubble so nice, bubble up the waistline. Bubble to the joint, bubble pan it down. Bubble like a ring, come on, bubble so shine, roll up. Roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Twerk, twerk. Twerk, twerk, twerk.
Alright, so hey guys, I got on a pair of lashes from the Lash Queen 876, which are these. But I feel like I want them to be much thicker, so I'm going to add these on top of them just to have them thicker. And I'm gonna sing for you right now because I like this song.
I see the way that you look when you hear his name. I see his picture up in your frame. And you refuse to admit you still miss him, but it's okay. You're a tower of strength when you're breaking down, but through the wall I can feel your cry. And when it's quiet, you're screaming inside, and I break as I hear you, loud as a bomb, wanting a shoulder to cry on. I hear you tumbling fast. Here and now, you're afraid. Don't you worry, I'll teach you to fly before you fall away. It's in the moments when you're left on your own, and it hits you from out of nowhere. Try to hide it sometimes unsuccessfully.
Alright, so this is what I have so far for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you think me putting on the extra was a better decision, wiser decision. I really love to hear your opinions. So now I'm going to go on and do my lips. Since the eyes are doing what they are doing, I'm just going to go with a simple lip. So I'm going to line my lip with brown. And after that, I'm going to go in with this Kim's Cosmetics or Cosmetics by Kim lip gloss. It is in the shade Melanin. Haha. You guys can go check out Cosmetics by Kim for all your gloss needs. They're really nice and they stay on really long. And the good thing about them is that they're made up of coconut, not coconut, coconut oil. So your lips will be moisturized and hydrated throughout the day or throughout whenever you wear it. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. I lost my pommy ball when somebody sneezed. Roll off the table onto the floor. Then my pommy ball rolls out the door. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. So this is the final look. So I'm not sure what I want to do with my hair. By the way, my hair was done by Christina. She just twisting some hair in my hair. Oh, I need to do my edges. Whoa. Alright, hold on guys, I'm going to do that and come back. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I went ahead and did my edges with Authentic by Kim Edge Control. You guys know I used this before. And also I decided to add a pigment, if we can just find it. You know when you put on something and then it just go missing? Alright, here it is. This is the Cheryl's Pigment. I'm not sure of the name, but if I do find out, I'll let you guys know. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Comment down below any other makeup looks you guys would want me to do, and also other videos you guys would like me to do. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell just in case you miss. So that you guys do not miss another video. Thank you for coming to watch this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.